Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi dear, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes. So guys, today I'm going to try on my new makeup palette by Dior Beauty. So keep on watching. So guys, today I'm going to using this foundation by Dior Forever Set and Natural. Okay, this is matte foundation. They say 24-hour wear, high perfection, skin caring foundation, and include SPF 35 PA+++ like that. Okay guys, you can see what's different. Okay, this is foundation. I think can cover my smile line, under eyes, but like my scar cannot cover. I think need 2 or 3 layer. Yeah, like that guys. So now I want to using this face powder. This is illumination face powder like that. So guys, you see eye swatches. Okay, you can see this. Wow. Let's see what's different guys. Okay, this one I wear already. So let's see guys, I think this powder has no coverage, it's only give glowing effect. You see guys, cannot cover my smile line and my pores are very clear. Oh my god. Okay guys, I want to use this dark brown color for my eyebrows, okay. So I want to try my eye look like this, so let's get started. So guys, the first I will using this dark brown color as the base eyeshadow. Just apply a whole my eyelid like this. And continue using concealer. This is concealer by Essence Cosmetics. Just apply like this guys. And I want to put the shimmer colors guys like this. And I want to using eyeliner pencil, sorry, not eyeliner pencil, eyeliner pen by Wtihin Cosmetic guys. And I want to curl my lashes before applying the mascara guys. So here I have mascara by Dior Cosmetic. This is China cosmetic guys. This is cheap but really good. You can see this mascara can curl my eyelashes guys. Wow, amazing guys. Now applying on the below also. And continue with this color for shading my nose. You can see how pigmented this color guys. And also want to shading my cheek, my jawline like that guys. And just blend it all in using my finger. Continue to put some the blush. I'm mixing this color guys, but I think this is a very soft color for me. And I want to using this color guys for my lips. Okay, this is like the pink nude color like that, guys. This is very moisturized lipstick. And yeah, I want to continue with dual lipstick by Dior. The set is 999. This is miniature lipstick I got free when I bought the Dior palette like that, guys. How good this color, guys. Yeah, this is the final look, guys. What do you think about this look? I want to hear from you. Let me know with your comment on comment section below, guys. But I think this is very natural color, suitable for daily makeup look. And let's check, guys, the result of this makeup after I use it out of the house. So guys, I just come back from NTUC, like a supermarket in Singapore. I'm sweating a little because I'm walking. And see my makeup, guys. Okay, here can look my smile line. Oh my god, so scary. And the eyeshadow still good, guys. Okay, I love this eyeshadow, guys. And yeah, like take out the mask. I want to see. Okay guys, this is the mask, and you can see, wow, no transfer, but I don't wear the face primer setting spray. Wow, really good foundation, guys.